Yeah, I'd like to give you a quick tour of my plant room. So this is a Boston fern. Uh, let's see, I've got a Chinese evergreen there, and I cannot remember the name of that one behind it. Let's see, that's a Japanese laurel there with the yellow spots. I've got other plants that I got more plants that I keep inside the house too. I just take them out of here. You know, I keep them healthy out here, and then I bring them in the house, which is kind of dark. And so we just keep trading them around. We always have something new in the house. So I've got pothos here, but behind the pothos, I've got some tomatoes and let's see, eggplant and peppers. I'm starting them from seed. And then these are African violets. There's little African violets starting there. And I just take a leaf and I stick it in the soil. A bunch more that I actually started with 8 leaves. I got them from the online. And so I got 8 leaves from online and I stuck them in soil and started all these. And let's see, there's a really nice one over here. Here it is. Yeah, there's a nice one. And so anyway, I've got this purple heart. I love this one. More pothos. Let's see. I've got a Draxenia, Tradescantia, Begonia rex. Let's see, Anthurium. And oh, these are just a fun little thing. It's a kalanchoe. And I'll show you later how they get, well, some little things on the end there. Those drop down into the soil below and start more. There's another one of those Genera oh, I haven't shown you the Genera irantaica. These, the Genera irantaica, I almost lost them all last year to the, what do they call them? Mealy bugs. Oh my gosh. And so, yeah, I got a couple of plants here that have the mealy bugs on them, and I'm just thinking, okay, I'm not fooling around with that again, because boy, I lost about $500 worth of those Genera irantaica last year. These are some little succulents I'm going to try to start. So this thing that doesn't look very good, and this one back here, it's a Hypoestus, and this is the ones that got the mealy bugs on them. And so they're not looking too good right now, but I think I can pull them through. So you got some Tradescantia here, and oh, here's a nice purple heart. It's not as purple as the other one. I think they like that. I think they like that sunlight. So let's see. We've got some more Tradescantia there. I love Tradescantias. They're so easy to grow, and I love the colors, the purple. This one's kind of an interesting one. It's a vegetable. I'm trying to keep it over winter so I can get it started again in the summer. And it's called ong choy, and it's good for stir fries, and you can put it in salads too. Got some Watts chain, and let's see, a Christmas cactus. I'd really like to get there's Thanksgiving cactus and Easter cactus too. I don't have those, but I'd like to get them. So here's some more of that Mother of Millions, that kalanchoe I showed you before. And so let's see. Yeah, anyway, so this is my plant room.